The fog doesn't bother me. Then again, I'm not the one driving in it. I mean, it is a thick fog, but definitely not unsafe to drive in either. The fog covering the sprawling Canadian Prairies of Saskatchewan is eerie, ominous, mysterious. It feels like the car is driving into Silent Hill, Centrailia, whatever. Anyways, that's not the point. It doesn't matter. The other cars on the highway don't matter. The fog doesn't matter. All that matters right now is reaching the small, out of the way, sleepy town of Fort Qu'Apelle. Why do I care about reaching this random small town in Saskatchewan called Fort Qu'Apelle? Well, the answer is simple, really. Because Fort Qu'Apelle is where people who are lost go to be found. You see, Fort Qu'Apelle, not unlike this thick fog, hell, not unlike me, has a whirlwind of painful legacy that it is trying to hide. Remember how I said Fort Qu'Apelle is the place where people who are lost go to be found? I have been lost for the better part of the last year. So lost, in fact, that I no longer recognize myself when I look in the mirror. It feels like someone or something is contorting my vision. Nay, my reflection staring back at me. That is why I need to get to Fort Qu'Apelle. I need to know the answer to who calls.